Hi guys, it's Mayan, the Frugal Chef. I hope you're well. Let's make these chicken quesadillas today. These are easy. I made a chicken for you guys, kind of stewed it in tomatoes. You don't need to even do that. You can make these with rotisserie chicken. Want to get a little fancier? Shred the chicken, throw it in a pan, put some store-bought salsa in it, make it nice and juicy, and you're done. So it's up to you if you want to do all that first part, but I do recommend it. Before we do anything, if you would sub, I'd really appreciate it. Press the notification button so you don't miss on anything. Let's make this. I'm going to heat some oil in this skillet. I'm gonna add 4 chicken thighs that are boneless and skinless. I'm gonna season this with salt and pepper. We want to brown this chicken on both sides, but I am going to season the other side now. These aren't ready, obviously. I'm just going to season that side. Now I'm going to let the bottom brown nicely, flip it, let this side brown nicely, and I'm going to set them aside on a plate. This took about 5-6 minutes per side. I'm gonna add a small onion which I diced finely in here. I really want those brown pieces from the bottom, so I'm gonna add a little bit of chicken stock. And I'm gonna scrape. All right, we are gonna cook this onion for 5-6 minutes until it's soft and translucent, and I'll come back. All right, this is softening. I'm gonna add 1/4 of a bell pepper and 1/2 of a jalapeño, which I chopped. I did seed and take the membrane out of the jalapeno. We'll cook that for a few minutes until that softens. I'm gonna add a little more oil. And I'm adding 4 garlic cloves, which I minced. We want to cook that garlic for about a minute until we can smell it. Be careful not to burn it, it will be bitter. I'm gonna add a bay leaf right there, a 1/2 teaspoon of cumin. Very aromatic. All right, I'm gonna add 4 tomatoes, 4 roma tomatoes, which I chopped with seeds and all, okay? I'm gonna return the chicken. With all of the juices, guys. I'm gonna add some oregano. And 8 ounces or 240 milliliters of chicken broth. Let's season with salt and pepper. We're going to bring this to a boil, lower the heat, and let it simmer until the chicken is all cooked through. So now we're gonna take out the chicken and shred it. You could eat this right now with some rice. It's beautiful. I am going to taste this for salt. It's perfect, actually. And I'm going to go ahead and blend this so we have a nice sauce. Make sure to get rid of the bay leaf before you blend your sauce, guys, okay? So we're just going to shred this into big pieces. So I'm gonna bring my sauce to my pan. And I'm going to add the chicken. And this is it. You can eat this with rice. Oh, delicious. You can eat this inside a burrito. You can eat it inside a taco. We are gonna make quesadillas with this. Let's make a quick little guacamole for our quesadilla. So I'm scooping out an avocado, as you can see. I'm going to squeeze a lime in here. It's little. Salt. And we'll mash it. I'm adding a tablespoon of chopped cilantro and a small Roma tomato, which I chopped. I'm gonna spray a little oil on my skillet and I'm gonna put down a flour tortilla. Put our chicken here. The chicken is warm. And I'm gonna do a mixture of cheddar and Monterey Jack. Well, this is pepper jack actually. Use any cheese that'll melt well, guys. So we're gonna do a generous amount of cheese. I like using my fish spatula for these things because it goes so nicely underneath everything. And our quesadilla is ready. Look at that beautiful quesadilla. Like you can see, I served that guacamole and a little sour cream with my quesadilla. So now let's taste this. Oh my gosh, that is good. That tortilla is nice and crisp. Oh, that cheese is melted beautifully in there. And as I told you, that chicken is pretty special. Thanks for watching the video, guys. I'll see you soon.